Okay, so I am going to go over our new website at www.bristolbayinsurance.com. It's a new website that we just got finished up with and made it very easy to navigate. So we're really, really excited. We just launched this about 2 months ago. So we have this translate button here that allows you to translate it from English to Spanish if you'd like. Here is our information, se habla español, and our phone number. Up top here, you find our home, tax returns, all of our insurances that we do, other services, our contact, and our referral program. Up top here is our social media links. So Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Yelp are there, and we can go through them each. This is Facebook. So if you click on there, it'll take you to our Facebook page and add us as a friend, and we post things periodically there. This is our YouTube page. So we have a YouTube channel that we post videos about things that we do, things of that nature. Subscribe. As you can see, we just started this. This is brand new, so we would love if you subscribe to that channel. And then going back, this is our Instagram page. So we don't use Instagram too often, but we are going to start. So there we'll be posting pictures. Go ahead and give us a follow. And we're going to go ahead and start using that a little bit more now. Going back here, this is our Yelp page. So this is a pretty important page. We have all of our information here listed. Our address, information on our hours here. We have some photos of the brand new office. And if you could leave us your honest review, that would definitely help us as a company. And we really appreciate those reviews. So if you could take the time and do that, we'd love it. Okay, so you can find all of our social media links there. If you scroll down here, this is our We Care About You section. So we definitely care about all of our customers here at Bristol Bay. We always do what's right by you. And here is our contact button. So if you click on this, it will take you to our contact page. So here we have both of our offices. If some of you don't know, we have a Torrance office and a Long Beach office. There's our social media links there, our address to our Torrance location. If you click on directions, it's going to go ahead and take you to a map. So you can go ahead and enter the address there and wherever you're coming from, and it will take you directly, there we are right there, to Bristol Bay Insurance in Torrance. Okay, so go back, and same thing with Long Beach. If you go ahead and click on the Long Beach directions, it's going to go ahead and take you to the Long Beach office as well. So that's a pretty cool feature. If you ever need directions, it is on our website under our Contact Us button. So if we scroll down here, what we do, everything from auto insurance, we do tax returns, life insurance, home insurance, along with renters is actually in this area. Commercial insurance, if you own a business, you definitely need to get that. So we have that, workers' compensation, everything like that. If you have a motorcycle, we do motorcycle insurance, special events. If you're throwing a party, definitely want to get that taken care of here. We have special event boat. If you have a boat, we do boat insurance, additional services, and I'll go ahead and show you all those services in a minute. So all of those are there. You can click on any of those and it will bring you to that. Also, if you click up here, it's going to bring down a list of all of those as well. So we can go ahead and click on auto, and this is our auto insurance page. A little bit of reading material for you, and then if you click on Get Quote Now, it's going to take you back down to this page where you're able to fill out all of your information and go ahead and submit it to us. We'll go ahead and get that. We'll get working on a quote for you, contact you, and we'll have that pretty fast. This is our life page. So same thing. A lot of the pages are similar. They just have different questions pertaining to whatever it is you're inquiring about. So these questions are pretty important to get an accurate life quote. So you can go ahead and fill that out, submit it, and our licensed life agent will go ahead and start working on numbers for you and contact you with those. Okay, so you could scroll down here and find everything that you need on the insurance side. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to tax returns. So a lot of our customers are income tax customers, and here is a little bit of reading material for you. And what's really cool about this is down below, we have attached the links to important documents that you may need. So these are the forms here. Okay, click on it, and it's going to go ahead and take you to that form. So this is keeping track of your expenses deduction. So throughout the year, you can keep track of everything, that you need to write off, print it there, whatever it is that you need will help you throughout the year. This is the deduction list. So this shows everything that you can deduct from your taxes, your Schedule A expenses, everything like that. It also shows you things that you can't deduct. So that's just another form that's definitely helpful for you throughout the year, and that you can go ahead and print out. There's expenses you can't deduct. So you can go ahead and print this out as well, bring it, hold on to it throughout the year, and it will definitely help you. These are self-employed, so Schedule C. You can go ahead and fill this information out as well and bring this in with you. Write down all your expenses, everything like that. Again, you can print it out and bring it in to you when you meet with our tax preparers. And this is a what to bring checklist. So just to clarify, this is what to bring to your appointment, but we do not do appointments. It's on a walk-in basis only. So first come, first serve. But this is awesome for you to have, so you can go ahead and check, especially if you're a new customer. Definitely go ahead and check these boxes that you'll need to bring in with you when you meet with our tax preparers, and it will make your experience a lot faster, and they'll get you out of here quicker if you have everything that they need. Okay, so if you need any information about that, you can go ahead and give us a call and speak to one of our tax preparers. Under other services, as you can see, we have notary, DMV registrations, DACA renewals, financial annuity, 401k, IRA. So we'll go through these each. Go under notary, and here's a list of all of the prices that are notary charges. So you can go ahead and see, and we have a licensed notary inside of our office to help you with that. DMV registrations, this is really awesome because now you don't have to wait in line to go to the DMV to get all of your services. We do that here in office. So there's some reading material for you there. And then we also attached the application for title registration. And what's cool about this is once you bring it up, you can actually fill it out, from your computer, or if you don't want to do that, you can also print it. But it's pretty cool that you could just type in your information here, and you can go ahead and save it and then print it out. So it's all ready when you bring it in, and it's going to be that much faster. So you can have that with you as well. And if not, then we have those available that we can print out for you here too. Okay, so go back over here. Let's see. Go back to other services, and then we'll scroll down here to DACA. So we saw DMV. Okay, so there's the fees there as well. So just wanted to show you that really quick. Okay, so and the phone number here that you can contact us at. So DACA renewals, some reading material for you here, shows all the information that you need to do for DACA. And if you need any more questions, or you have any more questions and need any more information, feel free to call our office. Okay, and you can get information there. And this is our about financial side. So about annuities, you could read a little bit more about how they work, the key benefits of annuities. If someone is retiring and they do not want to outlive their nest egg, annuities can be very beneficial for them. When you leave a job even and you have an old 401k, this is a rollover. So we would take this and roll it over into an annuity so that your money keeps growing, but you do not outlive it and you don't lose a dime in it. And also in our other investment options, if you don't have a 401k from your employer or an IRA or anything like that, and you do need something to invest in, we also have that available for you that works somewhat like a Roth IRA and mirrors the S&P 500, and it's very safe, so you don't lose any of your initial investment. So if you want to talk to our financial professional, we have one in-house, and you can go ahead and give us a call on that. This is our referral program. So here we have how it works. So here we love to reward our customers at Bristol Bay. If you refer friends or family to us and they do any type of new insurance or process a tax return, they get $25. So each person. So after the 5th referral, you then get a $100 bonus. So it's a very lucrative program that you could take advantage of throughout the year. Whoever you refer, you can go ahead and click here and it will take you to this page, and you can go ahead and fill out who the new customer is, who you referred, which is you, your email address and your phone number. Click submit and we'll go ahead and get that, and we'll be able to pay you out your cash referrals. And you can also use those towards your services, which is awesome, or whatever you choose to use it for. Okay, we go back to the home page. And as I said before, this is all of our homepage here. And on the left is our translate button. So if you click this button, it's going to go ahead and translate everything into Spanish for all of our Spanish speakers, which is an amazing tool to have because we do have a pretty large clientele. So si hablas español, puedo usar eso también, okay? So everything gets turned into Spanish. As you can see, you scroll through everything and everything is in Espanol for all of our Spanish speakers. So that's a very cool tool that we're very proud of to have that for our Spanish speakers. Okay, so you come back up here and you can go ahead and click on this to turn it back into English, and it'll go back into English. So very, very easy to use. And I think that is about it. That wraps it up. Again, thank you everybody, and we're looking forward to servicing you. Take care.